Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Okay, today we're going to do the OS module. So before we start, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. Thank you very much for doing that. Okay, so the first thing we've got to do is to import the OS module here. So simply do it like that, very easy. So now I'm going to create a function, and this function is going to get the current working directory that we're in at the moment. So I'm going to call it current directory. And that's going to be os.get current working directory. Okay. And then we're going to print directory. Okay, and current. Whoops, like that. It's going to be get current working directory, and we're just going to save it there, run the program, run the module. So that's the current working directory we're in at the moment in the Python one here, and that's the path to it. Okay, so the next one that we're going to do, we're going to create another function to list files. So list files. I'm going to create this one. My directory is going to be equal to, and I'm just going to put the path to my desktop directory. So that's going to be users mark desktop. This is my own path. So if you type this into your computer, it won't work. So you'll have to find the path for your computer to do this, because this is just my own personal path. So list dir here is going to be equal to os.list directory, which is going to be my directory here. Okay, and then we're going to print a message for the user to see. Files are. Okay, and then we're going to go through it for file in list directory, print the file. Okay, so let's just change this here and run it, shall we? So this is going to be list files. Let's save it and run it, and it should list the files in that directory. There we go, listed the files there. So there we go. Those are all the files in that particular directory. Okay, I'm going to create another function here, which is going to be simply, we're going to create a directory. So define create directory. Okay, and I'm going to give it a path because I want to create this directory on my desktop. So again, users mark desktop. Okay, and that's going to be os.chdr to that path. So we're going to change the directory to that path above. and it's going to be simply os.mkdir, which stands for make directory, and we're going to give the directory a name. So I'm just going to type in xxx in capitals like that so we can see it when it's created, and then print out a message to tell the user that we just created that directory. So directory created. Okay, and we'll just do this here. This is going to be create directory. Okay, so let's run that. Directory created, so it's told us that. Let's have a look, see if it's actually done it. Okay, so we're looking for directory xxx, which is there, so it's actually done it. Okay, I'm just going to clear this because I'm going to do some more functions here. Let me just clear that. Okay, so the next one we're going to do is rename a directory. Okay, so this is going to be create the function rename directory. Okay, again we'll give it the path. We're going to go to the Windows desktop again, so path users mark desktop. Okay, os.chdir. We're going to change the directory to the path that we've just specified there. Okay, so I'm going to put old name of the directory. So the old name was, let's do the one that we created now, xxx, and we want to give it a new name. So let's give it a new name here. So new name is going to be equal to YYY, original name there, and then simply os.rename. That's going to be old name to the new name. Okay, and then print a message to the user telling them that directory renamed. Okay, and then just call the function. So the function rename directory. Okay, save it and run the program. Okay, directory renamed. Has it really renamed it? Let's have a look. So we went from XXX to YYY. Okay. Right, let's have a look and see what I'm going to do next. Next is a little bit of a controversial one. In fact, I won't be able to demonstrate it on here, but take my word for it, it works, and you can demonstrate it on your own system. But I'm not going to do it on here because it'll shut the system down, and I'm in the middle of making a video. So it's going to be called shutdown system. Okay, I'm going to print a message to the user, print shutting Windows down. Like I say, I'm not going to run this. You can run this at home. I don't want to run this on here because obviously I'm making a video at the moment, so don't want to be doing that. So it's going to be shut down, and then it's going to be this, and that will do the job for you. Okay, the next one, what we're going to do, we're going to use the OS system to open a text file. So I'm going to create this, open text file. Okay, So again, we're going to grab the path and that. I'm just going to do a copy and paste here because it's the same path that we're going to be using. Okay, so copy and paste there. And then what we're going to do is, I'm going to call this file to open. And I need a file to open on my desktop. Let's have a look. What files have we got? I think I've got one on here. I've got text1. Yeah. Okay, so we'll open that one. File to open is going to be text1.txt here, and we're going to use os.startFile, and then we're going to give it the file to open. os.startFile and file to open. We're just going to save that, and we're going to run that in a second or two. Let's have a look. So this is going to be open text file. Okay. Let's run it then. Here we go. Okay, it's opened the whole file there. So there we go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you've enjoyed that, and remember, before you leave, hit that subscribe button on your way out. Make sure you hit the bell notification as well, because you don't want to miss a video from this channel, and I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.